Hey friend, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Dee. I am a lover of all things beauty, and here on my channel I talk about a variety of different things, mostly related to makeup, skincare, nails, pretty much anything and everything under the sun. I'm a full-time working mama in the corporate world, and I do YouTube and I partner with a couple of brands on the side. And I'm excited today because I'm doing my quarterly product favorites, quarterly product empties. So these are my favorite videos to do just because I personally like to see what I've used up. And to me, I remember when YouTube was really big with YouTube gurus and all that stuff. And people used to come on here and do their monthly favorites. And I was so fascinated by them. And I never really liked the empties videos. And now that I have kind of gone away from that, where I'm actually trying to use up the products that I purchase and really try to be consistent in especially my skincare routine, I've been using up some really good products, and I love to go back to these videos and see personally what I liked and kind of look back through my own reviews. So I'm going to try to do it in really quick, almost fast paced, because I know I like to talk through these videos, and I'm going to try to make it very synced. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit me up in my emails, that sort of thing. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing is, it's kind of a wellness thing. I used these up for 2 months, and it's from the U Beauty. It's the purple tea. I don't know, it's Trim Fit. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I'm currently out of it. I'm dragging so bad. The only reason why I haven't repurchased it is it's not cheap. It's a little bit pricey. I can't remember how much it was off the top of my head, but you only get 30 servings out of it. I was using this every single day. I went through both of them. This stuff is addicting because it tastes good. If you're looking for an energy drink that legit tastes good, this is literally the best one I've ever tried. Out of every single energy drink that I've ever had, this one is legit my favorite. I actually look forward to waking up in the morning because I knew I was going to have this. The second thing, and probably the biggest thing that I liked about it, was it gives you, it's like 130 milligrams of caffeine, which is a lot more than I really want to have in the morning. But the caffeine hit me differently than coffee caffeine. Coffee tends to make me jittery. This does not. This makes me clear-headed, no jitters whatsoever, just really focused. And I don't get that from normal caffeine drinks. So that's why I really like it. I'll probably repurchase it even though it's expensive. The next thing is toothpaste. So this is Synergent Smile Sense. I don't even know if they sell it anymore. I got it several months ago and used it up. And there's probably a little bit left here, but it was just kind of getting yucky. This is not cheap. I think this tube was $30, which is absolutely ridiculous for toothpaste. The only reason why I got it is because they said that it was Pop Rocks in it, and I thought that was kind of cool. It still is 100% cool. Is it $30 cool or whatever it is? Probably not, but I did like the way that it felt in my mouth. It was a little bit exciting to brush my teeth. But it also felt good. I felt like my gums were not swollen or anything like that. I really like it. I'll probably repurchase it again, but it's definitely not going to be my monthly toothbrush or toothpaste or, my regular toothpaste just because of the price. Next is skincare. And I used up 2 of these bad boys in 3 months. I wash my face every single night. This is the Bellamy Aqua L'Amour hydrating cleanser. It is fused with baobab oil, and it is my favorite cleanser. One thing I like about it is it doesn't suds up like regular cleanser. You put it on, it's almost like a lotion. You rub it on your face, and what I like about it is I used to have to double cleanse. I no longer have to double cleanse. I feel like it does a really good job of getting off all the stuff off my face, but my face does not feel stripped. So if you are somebody like me who has dry skin, definitely recommend this hydrating cleanser. Even if you're somebody who has oily skin, this is not going to leave any residue on your skin. It's just not going to suck your skin dry where you get that tight feeling, and that's why I love it with dry skin. So the next thing is the Bellamy eye cream. This is also a hydrating eye cream. This is my favorite that I've used. I used to wear use 2 Mary Kay eye creams, the Furbing eye cream and the Time Wise Repair. And because the Time Wise Repair was too thick to use in the day, and I really like the firming one, this one to me does both. It's hydrating. It is thick enough where I can use it at night, and I really feel like it does a good job, but it's also absorbs quickly so I can use in the daytime Hands down, my favorite eye cream. Next is moisturizer. This is also from Bellamy. This is the hydrating moisturizer, and it probably takes me about a month and a half. Probably, that's what I'm thinking, because I think I used these up in 3 months. So it's probably a month and a half to 2 months that I got out of these. These are also infused with baobab oil. This line to me is absolutely amazing. I've noticed such good improvement on my skin, mostly lack of redness. Like I feel like my redness has gone away. I feel like my skin is much more hydrated. I'm still working on some things, but I love this stuff because I actually love it in the morning when I go to wear my makeup. I feel like it does a really good job of hydrating my skin, but it's not oily. It doesn't leave like this nasty residue. It feels really, really good on your skin. Next is the Monat Makeup Vanishing Cream. So this is what I used to use when I was doing my double cleansing. Now that I've tried the Bellamy hydrating cleanser, I no longer have to use a balm and cleanser. I feel like that is a one and done product. I did really, really like this, but to be completely honest, I felt like e.l.f. has a skin balm. There's so many other brands that have a skin balm, and I didn't feel like this one was set apart from them. I thought it was good, but just there was nothing like wow factor when it came to this. Next is the Monat Night Haven. Oh my goodness, this stuff is amazing. I literally have nothing left. I have gone through every single speck of this stuff. It is glorious. I love this at night. I will actually layer it with my Bellamy baobab oil was the other product that I have finished up. I go in, put this on, and then I let it sink in. It is very thick, but it doesn't leave your skin greasy or gloopy. It's just thick and hydrating, so perfect for the nighttime. And then I go in with the Bellamy facial oil and kind of layer it on top of it. It is a match made in heaven. My skin feels so hydrated when I wake up the next morning. I love this combination. Bellamy is actually coming out with a restorative cream. It's supposed to be thick. I've heard so many good things about it. It should be delivered next week. So that's the only reason why I haven't repurchased this one. I'm going to try both of them and see which one I like. But this one, as of right now, is my favorite nighttime cream. And then the baobab oil is amazing. You see that fly that keeps flying around? I don't know how to get it out. I love this. I'm now on my second bottle, and I love the hydration that it gives me. You can use this as a cuticle oil. You can use this in your scalp. There's so many different ways that you can use it, but I just absolutely love it. Next is the Bellamy Luxe Soel. It's a broad spectrum SPF, and what I like about this sunscreen is if you're somebody like me that doesn't like that sunscreen feel, you are going to love this because it doesn't go on like sunscreen. It goes on like a moisturizer. So what I like about it is it makes my skin very, very hydrated, and I don't feel like I'm putting sunscreen in. Now, in full disclosure, or sunscreen on. Now, in full disclosure, this is not my favorite one. My favorite one is this one right here, which is the Elastin Skincare. It is stupid expensive, but it is still my favorite. The other one, if you're looking for something that's similar to this, but a better price point, I picked up a sample of this. This is La Roche-Posay Anti-Leos. I don't know. I'll put it down below. I tried this, was on vacation, and I actually like this one over this one, and it's a much better price. So I sell Bellamy, but I'm going to be real with you guys. Just going to be real. The next thing is Mary Kay oil-free eye makeup remover. This is my ride or die for taking off my makeup.
Gosh darn it, that stupid fly is attacking me.
Number one thing to take off my makeup, I do not use anything else on my eyes. What I like about it is it actually works. It removes my stuff. Now, I don't use waterproof, but I use regular stuff. It does a good job, but it doesn't leave that nasty oily residue in your eyes where you feel like you're hazy. I don't like that feeling. This does not do that. Next is the Mary Kay Time Wise Repair Volume Firm Night Cream. So if you guys watched me for a long time, I used to be a Mary Kay consultant. I still love Mary Kay. I think they have really good products for somebody who's starting out in skincare. I don't feel like their products are very, have a lot of actives in it. I feel like it's a great part to be able, or a great line to be able to start. But I just got to the point where I felt like it was not doing anything for my skin anymore. And I decided to jump on Bellamy. And now I'm starting to see results that I didn't get with Time Wise Repair line with Mary Kay. Now, in saying that, I still think this is a great line for somebody starting out. I think it's still good skincare. It's just not giving me what I want or what I need. Still think it's great. Next is hair. So I know this is a little obsessive, but I honestly and truly wanted to show you guys. I thought, okay, well, I can just show you one. I love this dry shampoo. This is from Monet. This is the dry shampoo. I am currently using this one. This is the one that I picked up just because I was like, oh, maybe there's better things out there. There's nothing better. This is the Dry Bar Detox Dry Shampoo. It's crappy. Don't even try it. Even my daughter was like, what is this? Where's your regular stuff? This stuff is amazing. It's not cheap. And you have to go through a actual consultant. I am a consultant. I can help you and I promise I won't spam you. But I like this stuff because for my fine hair, it volumizes, which you can't see any volume here because I'm not using it, but it volumizes my hair, it cleans my hair, and I feel like it helps me go longer between washes. Since running out of this, it is my ride or die, and I will be repurchasing this. And that's how much I love it because I just use this all the time. Next is the Monet IR Clinical Serum. This is the hair thinning defense. I personally love this. I use it every time I go to wash my hair. Usually wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, depending on what's going on. The night before I wash it, I will do this. And then I will also do the Rejuvenate oil and do an oil treatment. I have noticed such an improvement with my scalp, with my hair, all that stuff. I'm growing out some fried ends here, but you can see here, my hair, the new growth that is coming in is so much healthier. And that I attribute to using these products consistently for a regular time. Also collagen, I do attribute that as well. But I just feel like these are ride or die, and I use them personally. I continue to use them because I like them so much. Next is kind of like makeup category. I only have 2 things. The first one is the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I love this stuff. I actually have it on Subscribe and Save at Amazon because it was the cheapest at the time that I found it. I love it. I don't know much about eyeshadow primer. I never had to use them until my eyes started getting crepey because I'm starting to mature. I'll be 40 this year, so things are starting to go downhill. Anywho, I started using this about a year ago and just went on Ulta. It got the most reviews. Everybody seemed to like it, picked it up, never looked back. Really, really good. Last but not least is the Bellamy concealer. This is the concealer that I use. It is amazing. It is infused with caffeine, so it's gonna help your under eye bags if you have any, but it also is very, very lightweight. I feel like it does a great job of covering up my dark eye circles, but it doesn't cake. It's very, very lightweight. If you're somebody like me who hates that tart Shape Tape, because I'm starting to get the creases and crevices under my eyes and I cannot have a thick concealer. This is not thick at all. I also have used this in place of foundation. So I'll kind of dot it all over my face, go on with my day, and I feel like it's a very, very nice like light makeup look where it just kind of blurs me out, but it's not heavy like regular foundation. So I absolutely love this concealer. I will put my color match form below if you're interested. We can get you set up, but that is my product. Empties for the quarter, and holy crap, I think I got this under 15 minutes, which is amazing. So I will put all the links to everything down below of what I talked about in this video. If you have any questions, please email me or hit me up on Instagram. That's the fastest way to get a hold of me. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye.